Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. Asking someone to wait a moment.
Just give me a minute, please. Just give me a minute, please.
Inviting a friend inside. Come in and make yourself comfortable. Come in and make yourself comfortable. Offering tea or coffee. Would you like some tea or coffee? Would you like some tea or coffee? Asking about someone's work. How was work today? How was work today? Talking about being busy. I was so busy the whole day. I was so busy the whole day. Asking someone to repeat. Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? Checking if someone is ready. Are you ready to go now? Are you ready to go now? Asking about food preference. Do you want rice or chapati for dinner? Do you want rice or chapati for dinner? Talking about being sleepy. I feel very sleepy now. I feel very sleepy now. Talking about being happy. I am so happy to see you today. I am so happy to see you today. Asking about health. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? Asking someone to slow down. Please speak slowly. I can understand better. Please speak slowly. I can understand better. Talking about daily routine. I usually go for a walk in the morning. I usually go for a walk in the morning. Asking for help with work. Can you help me with this work? Can you help me with this work? Talking about favorite food. My favorite food is biryani. My favorite food is biryani. Asking about studies. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Talking about using a phone. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. Asking someone's opinion. What do you think about this idea? What do you think about this idea? Talking about being late. Sorry, I am late again. Sorry, I am late again. Saying good night. Good night, sleep well. Good night, sleep well. Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.